Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to do some scripting. First is the bash script and this is challenge 1. Here we are going to declare an array by the name myArray and then keep all colors in WebGear, which is the rainbow, the colors in the rainbow, and then display it by echoing. It's pretty simple. And then what we are going to do is we are going to display by a for loop by sleeping 2 seconds each time after the display. So let's see how we can do this. So the script can be test sh bash. What we are going to do, we are going to first declare an array in bash script like this, then keep all the colors in WebGear in the array. So my array is equal to violet, indigo, blue, WebGear, green, yellow, orange, red. That's it. So these are the colors of WebGear, and I think we have done. Okay, let me just try to echo it. Dollar. The way we can echo it is my array and the square bracket at the rate, and we should be able to echo. Let's see if our script is correct or not. Changing the permission so I can run this. Okay, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, WebGear. Okay, so I can display this and then keep all the colors in WebGear and then display it by echoing. So I have finished up till this much. Now display by a for loop by sleeping 2 seconds each time after the display. Okay, let us use a for loop here. For I n, so I can say this same thing, can just copy it, paste it here, then do 4 spaces, 1 2 3 4 spaces for indentation. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to display this and then sleep for 2 seconds. That's it, done. So it goes again back and it lists out all the color one by one. Let's see. Yes, after 2 seconds it will display the color now. Now the next, so we have done this actually, displaying the color, displaying by a for loop by sleeping 2 seconds each time after the display of the color. So challenge 1 is finished. Moving to challenge 2, it will be a Python script and basically we will do the same thing. So in place of the array, what we are going to do, we are going to take the help of list in Python. Let me write a Python script now. Python 3. Okay, now my list So I do not have to declare like the way I was declaring in shell script in Python. I do not have to declare. So I just say my list is equal to all the colors will be in quote here, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. That's it, and this looks good. Now I want to print these colors. How can I print it? I can print it by print my list is I have to just write my list and it will print, hopefully. Let's see what happens. Python 3 test.py. So my list is printing like that. But suppose here if I see same thing, do it in my list in Python and print the whole my list and also the first member of the list. So first member, second member of the list can be printed by like this, my list. So 0 will print the first member of the list. So just copy it from here so I do not have to type it again. And basically I'm going to change this script one more time, and what I am going to do is I'm going to print same first member of my list is my list. I had copied it, so I command V, yes, and that's it. I think it should print now. Let me see. So my first member of my list is violet, so this is fine. Now a display with for loop in Python, just like the way we were displaying in for loop in shell script. Here also we will use it. Let us see how we can do that. So for I in my list, okay, and then print it should be I, because I'm capturing it in the variable I. Print I, and then okay, I have to sleep, so time dot sleep, and I can sleep for 2.4 seconds, for example, 2.3 seconds, for example. I can go to granular level of seconds also, and time dot sleep dot to, so it sleeps for 2.3 seconds, and then it again prints the next value in the list, which is the next color in the list. But here I have to import time. Yes, and that should be fine. Python test.py. First member of the list is violet, indigo, blue, and after each output it is sleeping for 2.4 seconds. So this looks good. Display with for loop in Python, sleep for 2.4 seconds after displaying each color. So this is done. So challenge 2 is done. Next I go to challenge 3, which will be a bash script. So what it is saying that there is a file which is inside this directory. Actually, inside this directory there is a file. Let us see what is there in that file, and then I come back to the question. So cat, just copied it now. So this is a list of my paintings in my Facebook page, and it's basically, you can see these paintings. Like if I copy this and I go to, say, okay, so I go to this, say for example I go here, I have to prefix it with https:// facebook.com, then enter. Then it shows a painting of mine, which is an abstract painting. So basically, if this particular URL, I am doing a curl, it should give me a 200. Okay, right? I'll just show you here. So if I do a curl -v -o def null, and this, if I'm going to do this, this will give me a 200. Okay, now in this file there are a list of URIs. Let me go back. So in this file, as we have already seen, there are a list of URIs. So the challenge here is, I'll read out the challenge here. Let me go back to the challenge here, and yes, the challenge here is, write a script that will make curl get calls to the URIs present in this file, which we have already seen, and fetch output. For this, the URIs need to be prefixed with https ://facebook.com. that can be passed as an argument to the script. So if we pass as an argument to the script, inside the script I can access it with $1, as you would be knowing already. Let's try to create this script. Okay, so I just copy this file from here and I make a test2.sh shebang now I declare an array. Okay, and what next? Next, this, the value I want to populate in this array will be from this file actually. Okay, yeah, and now for I in dollar my array to dollar my array to, and I have to say here @ do. I have to basically do a curl command /div/null. Okay, so the https ://facebook.com, that will come as a parameter, so it will be $1, and the curl command itself, the remaining part, which is not the domain name but the remaining URI, is going to be captured in the variable I because it is in the array. In this file it is captured in the array. Now array is there in variable I, so it will be $I, and that's it. I think that should be good enough. I can also capture it as grep 200 because I do not want anything else, or it's not required here. That's it. So done. I think this should work. Let's see. For the first permission, okay, so now this should work. No, it doesn't. Malformed something. Let me see what is the problem. Sorry. Declare minus a my array 2 cat for I in my array 2. I think okay, I didn't pass the parameter. This is actually fine. I do not have to do anything here. So I'm just not writing it. I didn't pass the parameter. Maybe that is the reason. Just clear the screen. Parameter is https://facebook.facebook.com. That's it. Okay, so here it is displaying at a very rapid rate, so I make it sleep for 2 seconds, and that will be better. I think the way it will come in the output, it will be readable. So here, from here, O means next line. Let it sleep for 2 seconds so that it becomes bit readable. Now I run the test2.sh. I think some problem happened again. Oh, sorry, it's the same thing. I'm not giving the parameter, so that's why. So this should run properly. Yeah, this is running properly. I think so we have finished. As you can see, all are 200 okay in the output, and it is firing in those get calls. So I think we have finished challenge 3, and that's it. I think we had a good session on writing shell script, Python script, and again one more shell script. And I think this will brush up your knowledge of bash scripting and Python scripting. Thank you for watching the video. If you have liked it, hit that like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.